Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bucharest, where the local time is 22 minutes past 10. You'll be pleased to know that we have arrived on about 40 minutes early. The cabin crew will shortly be leaving the seats to perform safety-related duties. However, we ask that you remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the signs have been switched off. Portable electronic devices for messaging calls or internet access may now be used. Please make sure you take all your personal belongings with you, check in the seat pocket underneath the seat and in the overhead lockers. Do take care when opening the lockers in case anything falls out. Smoking is not permitted until you reach a designated smoking area. Thank you for choosing to fly with us today. On behalf of the captain and the crew, it certainly has been our pleasure to be in service to you on today's flight. And we'll shortly be handing you over to our ground agents who will be available to assist you should you need any further help from us inside the terminal building. Thank you and a very good morning.